Alright, so what's up everybody and welcome back to another video on this channel. And today it's time for another photography session. The snow is gone, so I thought let's get out there and take some new photos with the Canon EOS R5 and the RF35mm. And my plan for today is... oh wait. That is looking beautiful. And my plan for today is to take a few camera photos. I have the Canon EOS R with me, so we can take a couple of product shots. And I want to take a few photos with the Canon EOS R5 and maxed out ISO. So I definitely want to see how the image quality is if we maxed out the ISO and change all the settings so it can fit. So I think let's start with some camera photos to warm up a little bit, and then we will try to take a few more photos somewhere else. I think we will start right here again, and then we switch the location. Let's start with the EOS R. Let's put it right there. Nice, perfect. And that is beautiful. Nice. So now let's switch cameras, and here we will use the Canon EOS R and the 24-105. I switched it to 50mm. Look at that beauty. This camera is so beautiful. Quick top-down shot. Let's switch this one to this one here to have a little bit of variation. And I think this might look really good here. Yeah. So let's see. Oh, nice. Look at that. I mostly shoot at f5.6 to get the most of the camera in focus. So now it's time to switch cameras again. Nice. Let's go like this. And let's find some new places. Oh wait, yeah, let's try something. Let's put it right here. Yeah. Let's put that back. Let's make a top-down shot. Oh yeah. Let's put it right here. Nice. Okay, so let's test something. And like as I already said, I want to test the maximum ISO of this camera, so 51,200. And obviously it's now way too bright. So what we need to do is to raise the shutter speed, but let's raise that first. Still it's way too bright. Like this. Yeah. And now let's try to take a photo of this one here. And see what happens. So obviously this is not the greatest idea, and I think there will be a lot of noise in this image. Since it's 51,000 ISO, that's crazy. But yeah, we will see. I think let's go in this direction and then right there to the water. But so far I'm really happy with all these results. We got some great camera shots, so mission accomplished. We already got the photo with the maximum ISO. Maybe we will take some more just to see, just to have a little variation. Let's try to capture this one here. Yeah, let's see what we can do in the editing. So yeah, I will make a video about that, talking about the maximum ISO and if it's even okay to work with that or not. And oh, this one looks great. Another perfect example for our test. So let's switch to 2.8. Yeah, there's a huge difference, even in camera. Holy crap. Now we definitely got enough sample images for our experiment. So yeah, let's see what happens if we edit them. I'm really curious. So let's go in this direction now. So let me know in the comments, have you ever maxed out your ISO to take a photo? I never had to do that. In most cases, you don't have to do that. Or I would try to add more lights or anything else like that. So that would be really interesting to know if you've done that and why. Actually, the RF35mm, one of the cheapest lenses for the RF mount, and in my opinion, one of the best lenses. Even for video, this is totally fine because the motor slows down and still focuses really fast. So if you're looking for a great RF lens for photo and video, check out the RF35mm. It's a high quality lens for $500, so that's actually not that much for a good lens. So yeah, let's see if this one is good or not. Currently in camera I would say yes, but sometimes in the editing you will notice, oh, maybe this one isn't the best. But anyways, I tried. I think I have a great idea for another camera shot. This is actually perfect. Oh yeah, perfect. And that is looking beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. So now let's move in this direction again. Maybe we can find a few more spots here and there. But so far I'm still really happy with our results. Holy crap, look at that. That is a great macro shot. This one is good too.
So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.